If you want to change the email address on your Roblox account, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you change your email, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open the Roblox website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Account Info. Now, find the email address section and click on the Edit option next to your current email. Enter the new email address you want to use for your Roblox account. Roblox may ask you to enter your account password to confirm the change. Enter the required information and continue. After that, Roblox may send a verification email to your new email address. Open your new email inbox, find the message from Roblox, and click the verification link. Once your new email has been verified, go back to your Roblox account info settings and check that the new email address is displayed. If you don't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you entered the email address correctly.